and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a really pretty wig sent from Cynosurehair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. This is also my very first time working with them, I believe. I don't think I worked with them like back in the days, so unless I did, I just don't remember. But anyways, this is a 4-minute hair video, so it's going to go by very fast, you guys. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get straight to the point. I am placing my wig on. I did go in and curl define it before I did get on camera, you guys, just to make the curls pop more. You guys know that I usually do this in all my hair videos. And then I'm just going to go in and deepen my parting space just a little bit more and use some mousse to flatten it down so that my wig doesn't look like it's on top of my head. You can definitely wear this wig unit straight out of the box. You just will have to do a little bit of work to it. Not too much work, but it's pretty much focused on like flattening that parting space and then also the baby hairs as well. So that's a huge advantage to this wig unit. Now I do want to go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. This is an 8x5 closure wig in 24 inches, and it does have the 4C curly baby hairs. So these were super popular, and maybe like 3 years ago. I think that they look best on curly hair textures. As for the texture on this hair, I absolutely love it. I'm not a fan of everybody's curly hair texture, you guys, but I don't know, I feel like these baby hairs along with the curly hair texture went well together. So yeah, and then of course I am doing a 100% glueless install for you guys today. As for the fit of this wig unit, it had a very good fit. I just went in and tightened that adjustable strap so that the lace can lay even more flatter. And yeah, a key to a good glueless wig is to make sure that you tighten those adjustable straps and bands and things of that such. So yeah, now I'm just going to go in and fluff out my hair. I love my hair to be a little bit more fluffy, you guys, so I just go through the hair and take a wide tooth comb and comb through it. I want to do it on both sides, and then also I'm going to also like cut into my hair as well. Now I'm not like doing a big chop or anything like that. I'm just like trimming off the ends because I did feel like it was like a little uneven at the bottom. So you guys are going to see me here cut into the hair, and I just do a little bit of trimming. I did both sides as well, just to give a little bit more, I guess, layer and a fuller look. So yeah, I'm then taking my hot comb to pretty much, I like for my hair to go back instead of like on my face. So that's all I was doing here. I'm just showing you guys the baby hairs that the wig unit did come with. I think it looks really natural, you guys. You should definitely try it out if you are into curly wigs. I think it looks really natural. You can definitely go in and alter the hairline if you want to, and pluck some of the hair out if it is a little too dense for you. And yeah, so it looks really natural. Very nice bleaching job to this wig unit, and it also again has a very snug fit. As you guys can see, this wig is not moving off of my head at all. And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.